Most people assume tax filing apps are always expensive or complicated, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking, free, always means no hidden trade-offs. Because in 2026, Cash App Tax is still one of the simplest filing tools, but it is not perfect for everyone. In this video, we are breaking down Cash App Tax in 2026 and answering the real question. Is it actually free? And is it worth using? Let's start with the basics. Cash App Tax is a built-in tax filing feature that allows users to file federal and state taxes directly from the app. It is designed for simple tax situations like W-2 income, basic deductions, and standard refunds. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Cash App Tax is advertised as free for most users. That means you can file federal returns, and in many cases state returns without paying filing fees. But the real value depends on how complex your tax situation is. Let's break it down step by step. First is ease of use. Cash App Tax is built for beginners. Users like Alex can upload W-2 forms, answer simple questions, and file taxes without needing deep knowledge of tax law. Everything is guided, step by step. But here's the problem most people don't realize. If your taxes are complex, like multiple income streams, freelance work, or business deductions, Cash App Tax may not cover all advanced scenarios. That is where more professional tax software can become necessary. Second is pricing. For most simple filers, Cash App Tax is free. This is a major advantage compared to traditional tax services that charge filing fees. However, some add-on services or complex filings may not be included in the free tier. Now let's talk about accuracy and support. Cash App Tax handles basic tax filing well, but it is not designed to replace a professional accountant. Jake, for example, might be fine using it if he only has one job and standard deductions. But if his financial situation becomes more complex, he may need extra help. Now here's where it gets important. The biggest benefit of Cash App Tax is convenience. Everything is inside one app. You do not need to switch platforms or upload documents across multiple services. It keeps everything simple and centralized. But there is a trade-off. While it is convenient, it does not always offer deep customization for advanced tax planning. So it is best suited for straightforward users, not complex financial situations. In a minute, I'll show you how to decide in under 30 seconds whether Cash App Tax is enough for your situation or if you should use a different tool. Now let's simplify everything. Cash App Tax is designed for easy, free, and fast tax filing. It is not built for advanced tax strategies or complex financial setups. Let's summarize clearly. Cash App Tax in 2026 is worth it if your taxes are simple, you want a free filing option, and you prefer convenience. But if your situation is complex, you may need more advanced tax software or professional help. If this helped you understand Cash App Tax, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.